skipping, one of the most beneficial and must to do workout. It have lot of health benefits, okay, and many of us can do lot of variety of skipping, but still many people want to do, but they don't know how to start with this. So today I'm going to start with the very beginning, I'll give the small details, how you should start skipping, how to hold the skipping rope, how your footwork should be, okay, so that it's you feel like, okay, even though you are stuck, you can take these ideas and you can start this skipping rope exercise, okay. So when you are going to hold skipping rope, you should not hold very wide, okay, and it should not be very close. It's slightly little bit wider than your shoulder level, okay. So like my shoulder level is this, I should hold from here. This is the first thing. The second thing is, while you are going to skip, okay, so don't skip like this, don't skip too high. If you will skip too high, you are going to get tired. It should be smooth, so it should be smooth, okay. Now the third, and which is the very important thing, is your feet and hand coordination, okay. So where most of the people struggle. To practice that, you can first start with slow. So just start with slow. So first we are going to get hit on your feet maybe couple of times, but then it will go past. Just slow, okay. So this is the first you can say this is the first drill of skipping, or this is the first one of the, there are many varieties are there, but this is the first thing, or basic skipping you can say, okay. So now I'll start with this and slowly I'll cover the other advanced parts. From here, okay. So this was the first, or you can say the basic skipping drill. Now the second one is going to be boxer skipping. So why boxer skipping is, it have slightly footwork, okay. So now how the boxers they do, okay, you can see in the drill or in the ring, so they go on their feet, okay. So that's what, and this is also mostly practiced by boxers. Same thing, you hold, take a length, don't hold very wide. From here you go, then just take your 1 foot back, take your 1 foot forward. Nice and easy, okay. Once you have done these two drills, now the third drill is going to be single leg one. So single leg one is very good for athletes like sprinter, runner. So it will make your legs very strong, okay. So for that, but before you are going for the third drill, you should very good with this, the first drill, the basic skipping and the boxer skipping. So take one leg up, okay. So when you do this single leg skipping, no need to switch how I switch, okay. Maybe you will struggle the first time, so you just can do, just do, then stop, okay. Then you take another leg, sorry, okay. No need to switch, you can hold, you can finish one leg and you can go for the other leg, okay. So these are the three first skipping drills for today's. I'll cover other drills in our future videos. So our first workout is going to be high kick. So as I explained in my earlier videos, before we practiced other advanced kick like roundhouse kick, lower kick, or thrust kick, spinning kick, we should be very good in high kick, okay. And our Muay Thai high kick is slightly different than any other martial art. Here we don't bend our knee, okay. So that means from here, okay, we should not kick like this. So we should not bend this our knees. Okay, so we should go back from here. We go straight. We go straight. Okay, just see, we go straight. So when anyone learn martial art or Muay Thai for first time, we start with giving him training on high kick. Okay, so now I will train Sonu how to do high kick. Okay, so and we will try to do 25 sets of this kick. Hi Sonu, hi. Kicking high. So now the second workout will be angle kick. Again, this kick is we don't use directly in any fight, but this is a very good kick to improve your speed as well as to make your angle perfect for launching roundhouse kick to your face as well as to your rib cage. Okay, so how to practice again this kick? So from here, okay, you take a side step, then you go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, take this leg from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I will hold guard for Sonu and he is going to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now when he is kicking, his guards are open. Okay, he's kicking like this. He's kicking like this. But he is a beginner, so that's okay. But for him, but the correct way is to have your guard. Okay, so how you will kick? So this is the guard. So this is the guard. So when you are kicking, this hand is going to cover your face. So now you should kick. Keep your guard like this and you kick this one, this way. Okay, ready? Once again. Start. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, one more thing. When he's kicking, he's losing his balance. So in martial art, the first thing is you should keep your balance intact. Like he's kicking and he's coming back. He's coming, falling down. Okay. So that is going to come with the practice. The more and more you will practice, the more and more you are going to strong on your balance. Okay. So he's going to do 2 more sets. Ready? Hold your guard strong. Hold your guard strong. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Keep your guard, keep your guard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Last set. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so yeah, he have done well. Okay, but this is the first time he's doing. Okay, so some mistakes are there, but he will be I think he will practice well more and he can correct all these things. So guys, that's it for today's from Stay Motivated. we hope you all are going to enjoy our today's workout. Okay. So if you are very new to martial art and if you are interested to learn martial art or self-defense, so these workouts can help you. Okay. So because our aim is to train someone who is going to be who don't have any knowledge on martial art and they want to learn, they want to start from a very beginner's level. Okay. Then please like keep watching our channel for the next videos, and do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.